In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Perplexity chat. If you've ever had a great conversation with Perplexity and wanted to save it for later, share it with a teammate, or reference it offline, exporting is the fastest, cleanest way to do that. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, and along the way, I'll explain what each option means so you can pick the format that suits you best. First, open Perplexity AI. You can do this in your web browser or in the app, whichever you normally use. Once Perplexity is open, head to the chat you want to save. This might be in your recent conversations list or pinned if you've saved it. Click to open that exact thread so you're looking at the full exchange, including your questions and Perplexity's answers. Now look to the top right corner of the chat. You'll see an icon that looks like three small dots. Click those three dots to open the chat options menu. In that menu, select Export. This tells Perplexity you want a downloadable copy of the entire conversation. Next, you'll be asked to choose a format. You have three choices: PDF, DOCX, or Markdown. PDF is great if you want a fixed, professional-looking document that's easy to share and prints cleanly. It preserves layout and is ideal when you don't want others to edit the content. DOCX is best if you plan to make changes, add comments, or repurpose parts of the conversation in a document editor like Word or Google Docs. Markdown, with the .md extension, is perfect for developers, knowledge bases, or anyone who prefers a lightweight, plain text format that still supports basic styling and headings. After you pick your format, click Download. Perplexity will generate the file and start the download automatically. Depending on your device and browser, you'll typically find the file in your Downloads folder. The file name usually includes part of the chat title or a timestamp, making it easier to recognize later. Open the file to make sure everything looks right, especially if you chose DOCX or Markdown and plan to edit or reformat the content. That's it. The chat is now saved to your device. One quick note. Some versions of Perplexity may have limited export features. If you don't see the export option, or if you need multiple threads, you may have to export one chat at a time. And in cases where exporting isn't available, you can copy the conversation manually and paste it into your preferred editor as a fallback. This ensures you always have a way to keep the information you need.